In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Canva templates as a beginner. We'll walk through creating a simple logo template, turning it into a shareable link, packaging it, and getting it ready to list on marketplaces. Start by opening your web browser and heading to canva.com. Log into your account so your work saves automatically. On the home page, select Create to start a new design. Choose the type of template you plan to sell. For this example, pick a logo layout, but the same process works for business cards, social posts, or any other format. Inside the editor, you can bring in your own assets. Click Uploads, then Upload Files, and choose any images or icons you want to include. Only upload content you have the rights to use. Next, add text by selecting Add a Text box. Type your placeholder text. Think of generic names or taglines that buyers can easily swap. Adjust the font family, size, color, spacing, and alignment until it feels cohesive. To set the mood or brand vibe, click the background, open the color picker at the top, and select a color that complements your design. When your first page looks good, add a second page. This will be your delivery or instructions page. Add a short thank you note and a clear line like, "Click here to access your template." Leave that text selected. You'll link it in a moment. To generate the link, buyers will use to make their own copy. Click Share, then choose Template Link. Select Create Template Link and copy it. Return to the text on your second page, open the three dots menu, click Link, paste the template link, and press Done. Close the panel by clicking Done again. Now your instructions page contains a clickable link that gives your buyer their own editable copy. Let's package the product. Click Share, then Download. Choose the file type, select PDF Standard, and download it. This PDF becomes your digital file to deliver. Page 1 showcases the sample design, and page 2 contains the linked instructions. You're ready to list. Upload the PDF to your shop on platforms like Etsy, local marketplaces, or your own website. Write a clear description explaining what's included, how the template link works, and any requirements. Add relevant tags and clean preview images, price fairly for your niche, and include a brief usage note. Promote your listing on social media and encourage reviews to build trust. With this workflow, you can repeat the process for different niches and grow a cohesive catalog of Canva templates.